AI documentary channels often generate millions of views, earning thousands in revenue. In this tutorial video, we will create a documentary channel from scratch using free AI tools. It doesn't require you to be in front of the camera or even use your voice. After exploring YouTube, I noticed that documentary videos are becoming quite popular. I decided to create a step-by-step tutorial to teach you how to create such videos and grow your YouTube channel quickly. Welcome to Leo AI, where we utilize the best AI tools to generate passive income online. My name is Leo, and let's get started with the video. To create a new YouTube channel, follow these steps. Go to YouTube and click on Create a New Channel. Enter your desired channel name and click on Create. Create a logo and banner for your channel. To do this, go to Canva and search for YouTube logo. Browse until you find a logo that suits you. Once you've found the one you like, edit it as necessary. Then click on Share and download it to your device. To create a banner, go back to the Canva homepage and search for YouTube banner. Look for a simple design and click on Customize. You can then make any changes you want, such as changing the colors. When you're done, click on Share and save the photo to your device. Go to YouTube Studio and click on Customization, then Brand, upload your logo and banner, and finally click on Publish. That's it. Your channel is now set up and ready for you to start creating videos. All right, let's move on to the next step. It's important to pick a specific aspect to document on so that you can reach your intended audience. To do this effectively, we can use ChatGPT to generate some ideas. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with a list of different aspects that you can document on your YouTube channel. You will then receive a list of various topics to choose from, such as history events, biographies, cultural traditions, scientific discoveries, and many more. It's crucial to select a topic that you have an interest in. Many people create channels and stop posting videos because they have no interest in the topic they chose. Therefore, it's important to choose a topic that you enjoy. Moving on to the next step, ask ChatGPT to give you a list of historical events. You will receive a list of various topics to choose from, such as ancient civilizations, the Middle Ages, the Renaissance, and many more. For example, if you're interested in learning about the building of the Great Pyramid of Egypt, simply ask ChatGPT to write a complete YouTube script on the topic. It will provide you with a script that you can use as a starting point. However, it's important to make some changes to the script to make it unique. You can copy the script and paste it into Google Docs, then edit it to your liking. Remember to ask ChatGPT to write the script in simple words. Now let's generate our voiceover using 11 Labs. Many people have asked me how I generate my voiceovers, and I will teach you how you can get a good voice with 11 Labs. To access premium voices, you need to pay a subscription fee. I usually subscribe to the Creators Plan, which costs $11 per month for 100,000 characters. With AI voices, monetization is 100% guaranteed, provided that you offer value in your video and your audience can hear you clearly. If you don't have money to pay for the pro plans, 11 Labs also has a free plan that offers 10,000 characters per month. To find a good voice, go to the voice library and select Narrative and Storytelling. Listen to the sample voice before selecting it and adding it to your voice lab. Once you have added the voice to your voice lab, go to the voice lab, click on the voice you added, and click Use. You don't need to change any settings. Go back to your Google Doc, copy the script, paste it into the text box in 11 Labs, and click Generate.
To comprehend the magnitude of this architectural marvel, we first need to understand the purpose behind the construction of the Great Pyramids. These colossal structures were built as tombs for the pharaohs, serving as a gateway to the afterlife.
You now have the script and voiceover for the video. The next step is to find some stock footage that we can use to edit the video. It's easy to get these images from websites like Pixels and Pixabay. All you need to do is search for the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt, and you will find various videos that you can download and use without worrying about copyright issues. I will download some of these videos, and then we can move on to the next step. If you are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this. We have obtained the voiceover and organized our clips. The next step is to edit the video using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the files. Drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline, followed by the clips. Arrange the clips according to the voiceover. Listen to each part of the voiceover before choosing a clip for that segment. Add the selected clip to the timeline. Repeat this process for the entire timeline. To make the video more engaging, add transitions to each clip by going to the transition menu and selecting different transitions. Choose the transitions you like. There is no right way of choosing a transition, so go through them and select the ones that suit your taste. Let's add filters to the video. You can choose different filters and apply them to individual clips or all the clips at once. If you want your audience to easily follow your video, it is important to add subtitles. With CapCut, this is not a problem. Simply go to the text option, click on Auto Caption, select your preferred language, and then click on Create Caption. You can customize the look of your caption to suit your preferences. For me, I like the Poppins font, and I have added stroke to make the caption stand out. This makes the caption clearer and sharper, and easier for anyone to read on any device. It's important to get the final step right when adding background music to your videos. In my experience, choosing the right background music can make or break the video. In my video, I shifted the voiceover forward a bit to create a fade effect with the background music before the main voice kicks in. To add background music in CapCut, go to the audio section and search for background music. You can listen to different options and choose the one that fits your video best. Additionally, you can download copyright-free music from various websites. For this video, I already have the background music I want to use, so I will just import it and bring it to the timeline. Always lower the music volume to avoid overpowering the main voice. Before I show you the end results, I'd like to quickly mention that we have created a Telegram group where we share tips and tricks on how to grow on YouTube. You can join the group quickly with the link provided in the comments section. Let's review what we created.
To comprehend the magnitude of this architectural marvel, we first need to understand the purpose behind the construction of the Great Pyramids. These colossal structures were built as tombs for the pharaohs, serving as a gateway to the afterlife. Now let's delve into the historical context. The construction of the pyramids took place during the Old Kingdom of Egypt, a period known for its stable government and flourishing culture. The pharaohs of this era sought to build monumental structures that would immortalize their legacy. The sheer scale and precision of the Great Pyramids are mind-boggling. The Egyptians achieved this feat without modern technology. Theories abound about the construction methods, ranging from the use of ramps to the precise alignment with celestial bodies. The question that often arises is, how did the ancient Egyptians mobilize such a massive workforce? While some theories suggest a massive slave labor force, recent studies indicate that skilled workers, farmers, and laborers from across the kingdom contributed to the construction. Now, let's marvel at the engineering brilliance. The construction involved cutting, transporting, and lifting colossal stones, some weighing several tons. The precision in stone cutting and placement leaves historians in awe, considering the tools available at the time. The Great Pyramids have not only stood the test of time, but have become symbols of Egypt's ancient glory. Their significance goes beyond monumental structures. They are repositories of history, culture, and spirituality.
I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll like the next one too.